Hey everyone, welcome back to another preschool drawing lesson, and today I'm with a wonderful little Georgia. And Georgia, what are we drawing today?
Turtle!
That's right, we're going to be drawing a really super cute little sea turtle. And Georgia, are you ready to draw?
Yeah, turtle beats in the water.
In the water,
And
that's
the
right.
sand.
The water and the sand. Georgia, we're going to draw our turtle a little differently today. Usually we use the black lines and color in, but today we're going to be drawing and coloring with our coloring pencils. You ready? We're going to be using our gel crayons, and these are really fun for young artists because they use lots of color. You ready to go? Okay, we're actually going to start with this green one.
Oh.
Yeah, we're going to use the black for our turtle's face. So if you take this green one here.
I want to pick my one. I want to pick that.
You want to pick that one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's for our turtle's face. You want to do the face first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take our lids off and let's get ready to draw.
We got same.
Same one, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, but yours is a little bit different.
No, it's the same. So, are you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the.
Very good. Okay, Georgia, we're going to start with our turtle's face. So what we're going to do first, we're going to draw a little line that just goes across here. And this is going to be the bottom of his face. So let's go and draw a line like that. You can start a little bit lower down here. Just like mine. That's it. Good.
That's like.
Carry on, carry on. We're going to draw a little bit longer, maybe to about here. Can you join those? Carry on going. Okay.
It's like water.
Yeah. All right, good job. You did your line very well. And now what? Oh, you got a bit of a cough. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to draw like a circle. It's okay. We're going to draw a circle above this line. So watch what I do. I'm going to go up, around, and down. Can you try that? Up, around, and down. That's it. And then down. There we go. Amazing job. Good.
That's like Shane's tunnel.
Yes, like a tunnel. Okay, now can we go and color in our shape that we just drew? Just color that in. That's it. Just nice coloring. Get all those white spaces.
Like a waffle police.
Like a what?
Like a waffle police.
Like a waffle police. That's it. You're doing great.
I just put a little bit of fruit dots.
Oh no. And get you some medicine. Try to get all the little white spaces, and then we'll draw our turtle's face on it. You are doing great. You got it. You having fun coloring them? Oh, amazing. Oh, amazing. Good job. Now we're going to use the next green color. You got it.
Just get under my bed.
Okay. Good job. All right, so we're going to use the next green color, which is this one. So we're going to draw.
That's like.
Yeah, it's a little bit different to our face, but we're going to draw a big shell next to us. So we're going to do the same thing. You ready? We're going to draw a line across the bottom like that. Oops. Try to start at the bottom corner here and draw a straight line. And
No.
that's okay. That's okay. Don't chase it. You're going to draw to about here. Can you join that line? Great job. And now we're going to do the same thing. Up, around, and down. Can we do that? Watch me. Goes up, around, and down. But we're going to start on this over here. But we're going to go a little bit higher. Can you go higher?
Yeah.
Try to go up over here and come back down. That's it.
Back.
And then down. Amazing
I
job.
got two.
You got two. And we're going to color this one in too.
You got one.
I got one, you got two, but we're going to color them. You ready? Let's go and color in our turtle's shell.
I'm going to start at the top.
You can start at the top. You can start at the bottom. Whichever place you like to start.
Yeah.
Great job. Okay, we're going to swap to this green again. And let's draw our turtle's feet. Okay, we're going to draw our turtle's feet, but they're kind of like flippers because this is a sea turtle. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw. You ready? Yeah, you got it. That's it. All right. Okay. So what we're gonna do is
It's a line there.
yeah, we're gonna draw down.
She's to here.
Yes. Then we're gonna draw down curve. You can look at mine. That's it. You can stop there. Yep. And then we're gonna go up. Yep. And we can color in that bit.
It's like a
Yeah. Do you want to color in your flipper? That's it. We color in our flipper. Good job. Keep getting those white spaces. Keep going. That's it. Get the white spaces. Down. Got some here. That's it. Alright, now let's move on to the back flipper. You got it. Okay, let's draw it again. We're going to draw a line down. Let me help you with this. Okay, there you go. So we're going to start here next, and we're going to draw down and up. And watch me, see? Down, around, and up.
Down, around, and up.
That's great. Well done. Then we can color that one in. You're doing an amazing, Turtle.
And eyes
Then we're gonna
eyes
and a smiley mouth.
yeah,
Yeah.
black with black ear.
Good job. And now we can move on to our tail. Turtles have a short little tail.
Then
Right. Last
you
bit
got
now.
smaller, like
Yeah,
big
you got big ones. Now we're just gonna draw two little lines. That's kind of like a point, kind of like a stinger. Oh, you can draw like that. Good. I like it. I like your tail. Let's color our tail in.
These are like a stingers.
Yeah. But turtles have tails.
Yeah, and dinosaurs.
Yes, dinosaurs have tails too. Amazing. Look at that.
Where you got long tails?
Yes, whale's got a long tail. Now we can draw a face on our turtle. You ready to draw a face?
Yeah.
So what we're going to do here...
Eyes.
Yeah, we're going to draw two eyes first. So we're going to draw a small little eye here. And we're going to... like a circle. Great job. And now the right eye. Again like a circle. And now we can draw a nice big smile. You did it! Amazing! Very good. And what we can do, because turtles have a pattern on their shell, we can take our dark green and we can draw little spots on our shell. So we're going to draw spots like this. That's right.
Like sunglasses.
Like sunglasses. Just a few round spots. And that will finish
I'm
our
done with
turtle. Amazing job. What do you think of your turtle?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good counting. You got 5 spots. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, or 12. I didn't count right, maybe. Well, George, you've done an amazing turtle. What do you think?
Amazing.
It's amazing. Great job. Yeah, that's mine and yours. Do you want to say bye to all of our friends? Thanks for drawing along with us.
Show both of them.
Yeah, let's say goodbye first, then we're gonna show them our friends. Thanks for drawing along with us. We hope you enjoyed that lesson. And if you liked our drawings, give us a thumbs up and you can catch us on the next video. Bye everyone. Well done, Jojo. Say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.